Welcome to Dr. S. Thapa Academy, where you'll learn to earn money online effortlessly and professionally, without spending a penny. Join us for expert business and financial growth strategies. And today we're diving into the world of dropshipping. Now, you might be thinking, why dropshipping? It's simple. Dropshipping is one of the most accessible ways to start an online business with little to no upfront investment. You don't need to handle inventory, worry about shipping, or even have your own product. Think of it like being a middleman. You create an online store, find a supplier, and list those products at a markup. When a customer orders, the supplier handles packaging and shipping. You get paid the difference between your selling price and the supplier's price. It's a fantastic model for aspiring entrepreneurs to test ideas and build passive income. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of how to actually get started. The first step is finding the right dropshipping supplier. And trust me, there are a ton of options out there. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, we'll be exploring some of the best dropshipping platforms and wholesalers that can help you launch your very own online empire. So buckle up, because we're about to unlock the secrets to dropshipping success. First up is AliExpress, a massive online marketplace based in China. It's like Amazon, but with millions of products at low prices. From clothing and electronics to home goods and beauty products, all at wholesale prices. The beauty of AliExpress for dropshippers is no upfront inventory. Browse, find products, and list them on your store with a markup. When a customer buys, you order from AliExpress and they ship directly. No monthly fees, just pay for products sold and a small percentage to AliExpress. Test different products and niches without risking much capital. Perfect for beginners in e-commerce. One of the things that makes AliExpress so beginner-friendly is its seamless integration with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify. You can easily import products from AliExpress directly into your Shopify store with just a few clicks, saving you tons of time and effort. No need to manually upload product images, descriptions, or pricing. It's all automated. There are several apps available that connect AliExpress to your Shopify store, with Oberlo being one of the most popular options. Oberlo acts as a bridge between your store and AliExpress, allowing you to browse products, select suppliers, and fulfill orders with just a few clicks. It even automates pricing updates and inventory syncing, so you don't have to worry about overselling or outdated information. But AliExpress integration isn't limited to Shopify. You can also find plugins and extensions for other platforms like WooCommerce, BigCommerce, and even custom-built websites. This means you can leverage the power of AliExpress's vast product catalog and low prices no matter what e-commerce platform you choose. So if you're looking for a cost-effective way to start dropshipping with access to millions of products, AliExpress is definitely worth checking out. It's the perfect platform for testing product ideas, validating your market, and getting your feet wet in the world of e-commerce. Now let's talk about Oberlo, a platform that's specifically designed to make dropshipping on Shopify a breeze. If you're using Shopify to power your online store, Oberlo is like having a personal assistant that handles all the heavy lifting of dropshipping. Oberlo seamlessly integrates with your Shopify store, allowing you to import products from AliExpress and other suppliers with just a few clicks. You can browse through millions of products directly within the Oberlo dashboard, filter by category, price, shipping options, and even supplier ratings. Once you find a product you like, simply click Add to Import List, and Oberlo takes care of the rest. It automatically pulls in product images, descriptions, pricing, and even variant options, so you don't have to waste time manually copying and pasting information. This level of automation saves you countless hours and allows you to focus on what really matters: marketing your products and building your brand. But Oberlo doesn't stop there. It also automates your entire order fulfillment process. When a customer places an order on your Shopify store, Oberlo automatically sends the order details to your AliExpress supplier, who then handles the packaging and shipping directly to your customer. You can even track the entire shipping process directly within your Oberlo dashboard, keeping you and your customers informed every step of the way. Why use Oberlo instead of AliExpress directly? Oberlo offers automation and convenience that AliExpress can't match. It streamlines product sourcing, order fulfillment, and inventory management. No more manual data entry, reducing errors and saving time. Plus, Oberlo offers a free starter plan to try risk-free. It has a curated marketplace of vetted suppliers. AliExpress can be overwhelming. Oberlo handpicks reliable suppliers, ensuring quality products and excellent customer service. Simplify your dropshipping, automate workflow, and source trusted products with Oberlo. It's the perfect tool for scaling your dropshipping business. Alright guys, imagine having access to a network of over 8,000 pre-vetted dropshipping suppliers. That's exactly what SaleWho offers. It's like having a VIP pass to a massive wholesale marketplace, but instead of endless aisles, you've got a curated list of trustworthy businesses ready to supply your store. Now I know what you're thinking. Graham, isn't finding suppliers easy enough with all these free options out there? Sure, but here's the catch. With free directories, you're often left wading through a sea of questionable suppliers. You might end up with inconsistent product quality, unreliable shipping, or worse, scams. SaleWho eliminates that risk. Their team rigorously vets each supplier, ensuring they meet strict quality standards. Think of it like this. It's the difference between buying a used car from a random guy on Craigslist versus a reputable dealership. One comes with risks, the other offers peace of mind. That peace of mind is priceless, especially when you're building a business. Knowing your suppliers are reliable means you can focus on what matters: marketing your products, providing excellent customer service, and scaling your business. It's all about working smarter, not harder. Now, let's talk about finding profitable products. Remember, you can have the best suppliers in the world, but if you're not selling products people actually want, you're not going to make any money. That's where SaleWho's market research tools come in. They've got this awesome feature called the Market Research Lab. Think of it as your personal product-picking crystal ball. It analyzes millions of data points to identify trending products with high sell-through rates and low competition. Basically, it helps you find those hidden gems that are primed for profit. But it's not just about finding any popular product. SaleWho helps you uncover niches where you can thrive. Maybe it's eco-friendly pet products or vintage-inspired home decor. Whatever your passion, SaleWho gives you the data to make informed decisions and carve out your own space in the market. Look, I've built my career on making smart investments, and that includes investing in the right tools. SaleWho might be a paid platform, but the value it provides, access to verified suppliers, powerful market research, and a supportive community, is worth every penny, especially if you're serious about building a sustainable dropshipping business. All right, let's talk about Printful. Imagine this. You're building a brand and you want your logo on everything: t-shirts, hoodies, phone cases, mugs, you name it. But holding all that inventory? That's a nightmare waiting to happen, especially when you're just starting out. That's where Printful comes in. They're like the silent partner that handles all the messy stuff. You create the designs, upload them to Printful, and they take care of the printing, packaging, and even shipping directly to your customer. No more boxes piled up in your living room, no more frantic trips to the post office. And the best part? You only pay when you make a sale. That's right, no upfront costs for inventory. That means you can experiment with different designs, test out new products, and see what sticks without risking a ton of your hard-earned cash. It's like having your own personal print shop without the overhead. You focus on the fun stuff, building your brand and connecting with your customers, while Printful handles the logistics. It's a win-win situation. Now you might be thinking, sounds great, Graham, but is it complicated to set up? Nope, not even close. Printful integrates seamlessly with all the major platforms like Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, you name it. A few clicks and boom, your custom-designed products are live on your store, ready to be purchased. It's incredibly user-friendly, even if you're not a tech whiz. And the possibilities? They're practically endless. Think beyond just t-shirts and mugs. Printful offers a massive catalog of products you can customize: tote bags, posters, pillows, phone cases, even engraved jewelry. If you can dream it, Printful can probably print on it. This means you can cater to a wider audience, test different niches, and really let your creativity shine. It's all about building that brand, that loyal customer base, and Printful gives you the tools to make it happen. We all know the struggle of online shopping, right? You find that perfect item, hit add to cart, but then you see those dreaded words, ships in 4 to 6 weeks. Instant buzzkill. That's where Spocket comes in and changes the game. They specialize in connecting you with suppliers primarily based in the US and Europe. Why is that a big deal? Faster shipping times, my friends. We live in an age of instant gratification. People want their stuff now, not a month from now. And when you can offer faster shipping than your competitors, you're giving yourself a serious edge. Think about it. Happy customers, positive reviews, repeat business. It all starts with getting that product into their hands as quickly and efficiently as possible. Spocket helps you deliver on that promise. But Spocket isn't just about speed, it's about quality too. They have a curated marketplace of suppliers, so you're not sifting through a sea of questionable products. They focus on unique, high-quality, often niche items that you won't find on every other dropshipping store. This means you can offer your customers something special, something they truly value. It's about building a brand that stands for something, that offers a curated experience. That's how you create loyal customers who keep coming back for more. And let's not forget about branding. Spocket allows for branded invoices, custom packaging, all those little touches that elevate the customer experience. Remember, it's all about building that connection, that trust with your audience. So, if you're serious about dropshipping, Spocket is definitely worth checking out. They give you the tools to succeed, faster shipping, quality products, and a focus on building a brand that resonates with your target market. That's it for today's video on how to start a dropshipping business and the best dropshipping providers to help you succeed. Remember, starting a dropshipping business doesn't require you to become a millionaire real estate investor overnight. It requires minimal capital, but finding the right suppliers is key to your success. We covered a lot of ground today, from AliExpress's massive marketplace to Oberlo's seamless Shopify integration, Salehoo's vetted suppliers, Printful's print-on-demand magic, and Spocket's focus on speed and quality. Each platform has its own strengths. So it's all about finding the one that aligns best with your business goals and target market. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Dr. S. Thapa Academy for more videos on building your online business and financial success. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content.